Good afternoon all. Have you alert? I am Dr. Urmila Kaur from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I am working as an assistant professor in Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am connected with Moodle as a researcher, as an academician, as a teacher, and as an administrator. I will be talking about Shivaji University profile, implementation of ICT in university, inculcating change in ICT-based teaching learning, how we gear towards Moodle, installation of BHAT on Ubuntu 15.4, writing our own test cases using Gherkin, BHAT acceptance testing on Moodle. For the sake of visualization, I put up the Google map for location of Kolhapur. Shivaji University is an old university which is established in 1962. Its area is 345.2 hectares. Its jurisdiction over 3 districts. Around 280 affiliated colleges are there. 39 PG departments are there. And 250,000 students are there, which are gained benefits from Shivaji University. Shivaji University, most of the part of Shivaji University is rural, but the graduates get converted into semi-urban. 45,000 students are learning on distance mode. They are serving as on border, and they are connected with the university using ICT. We have good demand ratio, PG 9:1, MPhil 5:1, PhD 9:1. Our mission is we are dedicated for promoting and fostering a culture of high quality teaching learning and serving societal needs by encouraging, generating and promoting excellence in research and extension activities. We use the NPTEL National Program on Technology and Enhancement Learning, Open Courseware Consortium, e-resources for our teaching learning process. We have implemented ICT as a learning resource at Shivaji University. We have data center, internet 1.30 Gbps, Wi-Fi zones, fiber optics backbone, smart classroom per department, laptop per teacher. 164 colleges are connected through National Knowledge Network. Research communities are there. They are connected with research kits, Google Scholar and Scopus, internet-based resource sharing and e-governance also. Use of ICT in teaching, learning and evaluation in Shivaji University. Every department with equipped with e-classroom with interactive boards. Most of the departments on Moodle. Video conference facility through National Knowledge Network. NPTEL and spoken tutorials routinely used by the Department of Technology. Online secure remote paper delivery system is in practice for engineering courses. Online entrance examination for MSc, MPhil, PhD, B Computer Science. And online statement of marks are available for students, and convocation process is also online. Moodle, look at the slide, how Moodle helps us in bridging the gap to catering the needs, diverse needs. This is our academic resource center for Moodle. We train faculties of other departments in the center. We put up Moodle icon on our homepage. Various departments are implemented Moodle. This is a graphical representation of implementation of Moodle for various subjects. Various activities are implemented by us, but one of the most important activities is a forum. It is useful to build a team spirit in between the students, which is the most important activity. We have scrutinized the students with grade reports. Our main topic of discussion is the acceptance testing of BHAT with Moodle. It is a technical. BHAT is a behavioral-driven development tool written in PHP to test behavior of our application described in special language called Gherkin. Testing is required because of software is working as per our requirement or not. We have to test. Therefore, Gherkin is a business-readable domain-specific language created especially for behavior description. It is human-readable language used to define features that can be parsed and translated into PHP method. We have to write feature file, and feature file contains so many scenarios, and each scenario has different steps. It can pass a human-readable list of sentences called steps and execute actions in a browser using Selenium. Selenium is an open source tool used for test automation. Behat parses and executes features files which describes Moodle's features. One of the example, after you write feature file, feature contains title of that feature. It is login. Then what we want to test, you write 3 lines for that. In order to log in as a Moodle user, I need to be able to validate the username and password against Moodle. We want to test that after logging username and password. Then scenario, login in as an existing user, given, when, and then. These are the keywords which are used to write the scenario. These are the different words. Given is used to write to preconditions, when is used to actions, and then is used to outcome of the feature file, outcome of the results. These are the some scenarios. I take one example. To add a forum, to add a discussion forum, feature file is add forum activities and discussions. In order to discuss topics with other users, as a Moodle teacher, I need to add forum activities to Moodle users. We want to test that, but it requires prerequisites are there to create a user, to do the login, and then create the enrollments of that user and create a course. Because of Moodle, it easily done these 3 things, and then we can test that feature file. You create that feature file and then execute using these are the prerequisites for Behat. First, you have to install Selenium server is required, JRE Java runtime environment is required, Firefox, Moodle code, Apache server, Postgres database or MySQL database. That is PostgreSQL is the object relational database in open source. Ubuntu 15.4. Install web server and database and Git. Install OpenSSL server means it is used for secure and encrypted communication. Then install PHP, Git and PostgreSQL. Then install browser. Then download Moodle core code using cloning of Moodle. Git clone Git and give the path of that Moodle Git. It will create Moodle folder, rename that Moodle folder, move Moodle to Moodle Behat, then make dir Moodle data Behat, then changes, use config.php file from Moodle Behat and do the changes for the execution of Behat. That is Behat prefix is equal to B, Moodle data Behat data root that is /var/www/Moodle data underscore Behat. Then Behat www root localhost /Moodle Behat. You can execute Behat using this www root. Then create roles and databases using PostgreSQL. Then download Selenium server, and then background. First we have to run Selenium server from /var www.html. Then change the folder cd Moodle Behat. Then that folder you have to initialize the environment for testing of execution of test. If your first test is there, then you use init.php. If you add more tests, then util.php is there to update the test. It will execute by given this command vendor/bin/behat/double-config where www data behat.yml. It is a liquid file. Give name of the feature file mod-forum. Tags. This is the tag for feature file. It will take that feature file and execute in front of your eyes. The test is executed. Screen is changing automatically as per the scenario. As per the scenario and feature file. The learning. This is the technical part. This is some of don't know the Linux operating system, therefore they don't understand anything. But this is the prerequisites. Linux, if you are familiar with Linux, then that is learning in Moodle paradigm. Hopefully, I have identified the action locus of Shivaji University towards this transition. However, tech-savvy faculty members are vital to keep the momentum going on. Mahatma Gandhi says that it is the quality of our work which will please God and not the quantity. A journey of 1,000 miles occurs one step at a time. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask. Last year I was visited at Melbourne, and at the fourth day, hands-on experience is there on BAD. I try my level best to explain that concept in front of you and in front of Martin sir. If it is okay or not, I don't know. Actually, that is not possible because my server is crashed at the. Therefore, it is not possible. If demo is there, it will be easy for you. Okay, thank you.